the quarter. Here we can see the front part of the quarter. Here's the back part of 1/4. The quarters can have many different designs on the back. Usually they're, depicting a state. For example, here we have Oregon, here we have Florida, here we have Nevada, here we have Massachusetts. But this one with the eagle is an older quarter. This is the way that most quarters used to look, just like this one with the eagle on the back. So the quarter would usually have some type of state on the back, and if not, then they'll have these eagle looking back. So it's important to remember that the quarter can have different, although the quarter can have different designs on the back, on the back of the coin, it still remains a quarter. And those special things on the back is basically to remind us that, about the states. It basically, they're collectibles. A lot of people like to collect coins, so a lot of people collect them. But yes, that's the whole idea behind, just having the states in the back. It's a way of, recognizing the states on each of the United States. The penny is much easier to recognize. Here we have the front part of the penny. As you can see, you have Abraham Lincoln right there on the front, and on the back of the new penny we actually have kind of like a shield. So it looks like a shield, and then we have a banner down here that literally tells you 1 cent. And then we have another coin here. It's the same, it's a penny, but this time this penny is one of the older ones, and it doesn't have the shield, but rather it has the Lincoln, the Abraham, the Lincoln Memorial, so that's what you see right there. So remember, the penny could have two back sides. It could either have the shield or the Lincoln Memorial. The dime hasn't undergone many changes, so it has remained relatively the same. You see Franklin D. Roosevelt's on the face on the front part of the coin, and on the back you have that torch with the olive branch. So if you see the torch means, something with fire, and the olive branch, if you see the torch with the olive branches, then that's a dime. Okay, you'll immediately know that that's a dime. The nickel used to look more like this. It was looking to the side, but nowadays our nickel looks more like, the president's looking towards the front. In the back used to look with the Monticello. Here's the Monticello, but nowadays it's changed a little bit. So it has this kind of like when you say hello to someone, like a handshake. So it's different now, but this is what the nickel looks on the back. It could look either like the Monticello, which is the most common, the older one, or the handshake.